The SimilarWeb Chrome extension is a quick and easy way to analyze website traffic, engagement, and competitive insights directly from your browser. Follow these steps to use it effectively. Install the extension. Go to your Chrome Web Store. Search for SimilarWeb, Traffic Rank, and Website Analysis. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Open the extension. Visit any website you want to analyze. Click the SimilarWeb icon in your Chrome toolbar. Analyze website metrics. The extension provides global, country, and category rank. See how the site ranks worldwide. Monthly traffic and visit duration. Check total visits, average time spent, and bounce rate. Traffic sources. Breakdown of direct, search, social, referral, and ads traffic. Top countries. See where most visitors come from. Compare with competitors. Use the compare feature to check how a site ranks against competitors. Use insights for growth. Optimize SEO, marketing strategy, and competitor research based on the data.